Ever had a situation where your product doesn't fully meet the specification, but you still want to ship it? That's where a supplier deviation request, also known as a concession or waiver, comes in. Let's break it down. A supplier deviation request is a formal document that allows a supplier to request temporary approval to deliver parts that do not meet specification, but are still functional and safe for use. This request must be reviewed and approved before shipment. Here's how the process works, step by step. Step 1. Internal approval. Before submitting a deviation, make sure your internal quality and production teams approve the request. This ensures everyone agrees it's safe to proceed. Step 2. Initialization. Start filling out the waiver form. Enter the key details like title or document reference, requested data, including name, role, and contact data, affected part details, including part number, part name, quantity or duration for concession, lot number, if applicable, part specification reference, if applicable, and affected purchase order number. Step 3. Deviation description. Clearly describe what's different or wrong. For example, the bolt is out of tolerance. What was the required requirement? For example, in accordance with the drawing XXYYZZ revision A, the minimum bolt length must be 150 mm. What's the actual condition? For example, measured length is 145 mm. Any corrective actions you've taken or plan to take. Step 4. Customer data. Add the details of the customer contact, name, email or phone number. This ensures the right person receives and reviews your request. Step 5. Disposition and submission. Propose what you want to do with the parts, use as is. Rework, return, repair, scrap. In our case, let's say it can be conditionally approved, so we cross-use as is. Step 6. Customer approval. Send it and wait for the customer's written decision. Only after formal approval, affected parts can be shipped under this agreed terms. Using a supplier deviation request has many benefits. Prevents delivery delays, ensures compliance and traceability, avoids unnecessary scrap, strengthens communication between you and the customer, maintains product flow while resolving issues. Handled correctly, a concession isn't a problem, it's a smart solution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quality management tips.